If you want to command attention, start saying what you mean and what you want. When you beat around the bush, you waste time. And people who get taken seriously don't waste time with people who waste time. When you are not being direct, not asking for what you want, not saying what it is you mean, it is out of fear. Fear that you won't get what it is you want, or maybe fear that you might bother someone. I get it. I understand from my own personal experience. I don't like to bother people either. It's deeply ingrained in me from childhood. But I have worked to get over that. I'm still working at it a little bit. We are all a work in progress. But it is our responsibility to identify and work through those things that tend to hold us back, as that is the only way to ultimately make our impact. You get what you want faster when you say what it is. And by being direct, even if you don't get what you want from a certain person or situation, you will figure it out sooner. And then you'll be able to move on, better prioritize, and you will still set yourself up to get what it is you want and faster. Know what you want, know what your outcome goal is for a conversation or for a meeting. Be confident, be direct, and you will command attention from the right people and opportunities and weed out those that are not a fit and will just serve as a distraction, slowing you down.